Do it.
You're not gonna hurt me?
You want to squeeze something?
I think I'll get my bunny. I'll go get my bunny.
Go quick.
Which bunny? The real bunny or the fake bunny?
Thanks. Are you going to do it really slowly or are you just want to yank it?
If I just real fast, it'll be over.
Are you just going to push it forward?
I don't think so. I'm just gonna
Push
have
it
to
up?
get my hand in there and see.
Coming up, coming up.
Looks like my dream is coming true that I had last night.
Just gonna have this.
You have to put your head down. There you go. Deep breath. Get my nose head down.
His name is Carrot.
Oh, carrot. That's right. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good breath. Open. Got this. It's cool that we can make a little video. Then we can watch it. Open it.
It's stinging right
Okay.
now.
Alright. Let me just get right there. And
Whenever I open, I get scared.
you got this. You are so tough. 1, 2, 3. You can see.
Are you going to take it from the bottom and just go pull it up?
I think so. I can't really tell until I get my hand in there and tell about it.
Oh, that's going to hurt.
Squeeze. Squeeze the bunny. You got yours so tough. I'm so proud
Mommy,
of
it's
you.
going to hurt more if you push, if you put
Okay,
it
I'll
up.
figure it out when my hand gets in there.
Just wiggle it right now.
Alright.
Wiggle it. Wiggle it with my finger right now.
Okay. Let's do this. 1, 2. We're gonna be so fast, Micah. And then you can go to bed and you can tell all your friends tomorrow.
The tooth fairy will come?
Yeah? And the tooth fairy will come. And you can all your friends at school, and you can show that lady at school, Miss
Harris.
Harris. Oh, she'll be so happy. Open up. Are both dogs inside? Because I left the gate open.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, we gotta do this guy in the middle, clean Bennett's cage out.
I don't want to.
Yes, you do. Daddy wants to get this on video so he can show all his friends how tough you are. Open up. Here, squeeze my hand. As tight as you want to. Hard.
Mommy,
Huh?
I want to know.
You what? Worried? Okay, let me see it.
Wiggle it.
Okay. Open your mouth big enough so I can get my hand.
Yeah, wiggle it.
Keep your mouth open.
You're putting your thumb and
Because
your
I gotta get my hand in there good.
Because I just want you to wiggle it right now.
I can't.
Because I'm afraid you're going to pull it. Just this finger and go back and forth.
That doesn't let me do anything. Open your mouth. Daddy can send this video to Mommy, Staten, Ellie. Good girl. There you go.
Really scared.
Hold on tight to me.
Really scared. Really scared.
If I had my hand in there.
Scared.
Keep your mouth open, and as soon as you get that boost of confidence,
I got one question. The larger I open my mouth and keep it open, the longer, the less it'll hurt.
yeah.
So if I do
So that
this,
way I can get my hand in there
so
better.
if I do this,
Yeah, that's not gonna feel good.
it's gonna feel
Like you're at the dentist.
it's gonna feel like I'm taking pliers out. Taking pliers with the teeth. That's not even.
Yeah. Open.
Just gotta get that push and close my door.
Get that confidence. I got confidence in Micah. I got confidence in you.
It's wide open, Michael.
You got it. Ah.
Micah, don't panic. Micah, just keep your jaw open and out.
You'll be so excited
Micah.
when it comes out.
Micah, do what I tell you to do. Let Mom get it over with. Do it now. Micah, control. Micah, don't close your jaw.
Mommy.
Micah, enough. Micah, control. You don't have any panic in you. You got nothing to worry about.
As soon as you get it, I just
Micah.
get scared.
Micah, no more words. No more words. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Do what I say.
I'm not
Do
even
what I
touching
say.
it, Micah.
Do what I say. Excellent.
Oh my goodness gracious. There you go. Nothing to it, right?
Good.
That's it. There was nothing.
I gotta go good
I didn't twist it. Bite down on that.
Oh, that's
It's not even
great.
bleeding that much. Just bite down on it. There was nothing.